Okay, this is a 2016 Hellcat. We did the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm system. Basically, from factory, the way it works is somebody opens the door, the alarm will fire off. So anybody can break your window, sit inside your car, hook up a laptop, clone another remote, take off with your vehicle. So the shock sensor will, pick up any type of impact. So if somebody breaks your window, or in fact, if they leave the car on full bricks, it will set off the alarm. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on it so you can see how it works. If I didn't install the shock sensor, I can literally destroy this whole car with a baseball bat. And as long as I don't open any of the doors and the interior lights don't come on inside the car, the alarm will never set off. By me adding the shock sensor is like if I would install a full-blown aftermarket alarm without you having to carry another fob around. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the window. Alarm will fire off. Go ahead and shut it off. Rearm it again. Once you arm it, factory alarms have a delay, so I got to give it like another 10-15 seconds before I can, bang in another area of the vehicle. I want to go ahead and do the front tire here, so you guys can get an understanding how the shock sensor works. It is fully adjustable. You can set the sensitivity how you want it. It's up to you if you want it real sensitive or not. Right now it's like a scale 1 through 10. It's probably like a 5. But the thing is, we're in South Florida, so there's a lot of thunders around here, so you don't want to go too crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on this tire here. Okay, rearm it again. And I'm gonna go ahead and get this other side. Sometimes we get emails that people always ask us, oh, you only did the driver's side, does it work on the passenger side? It works all around the car. But I'll go ahead and show you on this side. I just rearmed it, so we got to give it that 15-20 second delay. Basically, if you're out of state, you can still contact us and we can give you instructions how to get this done in your home state. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on this side now. Should be about ready. Okay. And then you got the remote start. I didn't install the remote start, but sometimes we get emails by adding this shock sensor. Does it disengage my remote start? No, it doesn't. It has nothing to do with your factory remote start. I try to cover all the questions, that way we eliminate emails for no reason. This is the shock sensor add-on to these type of vehicles that they're stealing like crazy all over the United States. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And this is Auto Alarm Specialist, and we're located in Miami, Florida. Thank you for watching this video.